Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another restock with me for my latest restock, and most of the slimes I made in this video are still in stock. So if you see anything you like, make sure to go shop, link in the description. So first up, I'm just cleaning my mixer because I make sure everything is clean. Then I'm pouring in some glue and making some clear slime. So all my clear slimes are crystal clear and scented, so they're just really nice. And then right here is just the big batch, not totally cleared yet. Then here I'm just adding these little crushed up foam pieces to my Gay Crunch Bar slime, but this is before I fully colored it, so it's actually a much more hot pink color. Anyway, I just found this so satisfying to mix in the foam, and I hope you will too. So the next one I'm making is green tea honey boba, and this is actually a pretty old clip, so this slime is now actually sold out, so you can't buy this anymore, but you can still enjoy this clip. Next, I'm just showing you guys the big batch for gold. And this is a really nice pigmented slime, and it was pretty bubbly here, so the color didn't really show that well. But when all those bubbles pop, it turns into a really nice pigmented slime. So this is my dragon scale slime, and this is also a pretty thick, scented, metallic slime with a beautiful green to gold shift. So it's just such a pretty slime. It was in my shop in December, January, and now, and it's just an amazing slime. Now I'm just cleaning the surface and then packing all the slimes, so enjoy these little packaging clips. So this is what my shelves look like after a little bit of packaging. Not all the slimes were packaged yet in these clips, but a lot of them were, and it's just so satisfying to see all your work completed into your shelves. Then I'm just showing you guys that these half-filled slimes are actually swirled slimes or two-tone slimes that haven't been fully packaged yet. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please consider purchasing because this is my final restock. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!